Welcome, my Litecoin family. Top of the morning. It is a beautiful day. It is March 30th on a Wednesday. I just wanted to get to you guys. This is just a reminder to keep your funds secure in a cold wallet. Don't keep things on the exchanges. Be smart with who you're going to send cryptos to. All the scams out there that are, if you send me some crypto, I'm going to send you two times as much back, is all a scam. Don't fall for that. I can't believe how many people fall for that still. But this is just another reminder. 13 hours ago, $600 million in crypto was taken from Ronin blockchain. So anyways, keep your stuff secure. But what I wanted to talk about here is the dollar falling here. So the dollar is, we had this, we're in this formation still, and this level of resistance here is starting to break, and the dollar is starting to is basically, you tap it as many times, you're going to punch through, basically, eventually, is what this is saying, this chart. So it looks like the dollar is starting to get a little drop here, and I wanted to tell you guys that Litecoin right now is starting to signal that we are bottoming as an entire market here, and is showing that we are reversing here. So I'm putting in a trade, and I'm going long here, you guys. This is a pretty good retest. I was expecting this. And it looks like, I want to say that bearish divergence was played out perfectly, and I think right now the dollar is signaling that we are going to be having a reversal here in all the commodities and equities and cryptos. Hood right now, I wanted to tell you guys, Hood is breaking out. This is breaking out of this long-term downtrend right here, and it's finally poking its little head out right here. So if you guys are interested in a trade, let me turn on the Lux algo for you, show you how strong of a buy it is. We go to the daily, and we have a buy. Also just a break of the trend line. The money flow here is starting to curl back around. We are having bullish divergence on Hood, Robin of the Hood. Maybe they got some of their class action lawsuits taken back. Tesla as a strong buy. Look at this rocket ship, you guys. We're breaking this trend line here. Even I don't really care how you draw it here. I mean, you could draw, I would probably draw it like that. That's a false breakout back into the thing, and this is actually a true breakout here. Digibyte is also looking really good. Digibyte on the daily, you guys. Wow, this thing's really starting to pick up speed on the weekly. This is the weekly. Again, a lot of coins, you can't even pull up a weekly chart on them because they haven't been around very long, but not the case for Digibyte. Digibyte's also been around since 2014. So this coin's gone through a lot. It's proven itself as resilient. So really like Digibyte. Sheeb. If you guys look at this macro weekly chart, it's looking pretty good here. I mean, that's like a simple as you get right there. Even though the sell is on still, buy. This thing's reaching, I really think that this one's going to start running too. We really got to get over this next 35 1/1,000,000 of a dollar, but after we clear that, it looks like a nice little breakout. Silver, it got monkey hammered the other day. Look at this thing. Got monkey hammered down to $23. We got a market cipher buy, and today in the 4 hour we have a cross. It's the daily. Daily, we have a death cross, and it's showing that the RSI, or in the MACD, I'm sorry, is moving to the down direction. We have a sell on the daily on silver. I wouldn't worry too much about silver. Gold, on the other hand, I'm gonna have to probably redraw these lines, and we're probably extending a little bit. I don't really want to do something like that. Try not to redraw my lines too much, but sometimes you gotta adjust on scaling basis and certain things. Link, I haven't discussed chain link in a while for you link Marines out there. Linking it up. I do have some link. Looks like we haven't quite broken out yet. Haven't quite broken out this line yet. So a break of $17 on chain link, it would signify a further move up to this $39. It looks like probably a retest, 27 first and then 37. Where's my VPBR? Where's my VPBR? I have that up. Find it right now. Okay, well, I'll have to pull the VPBR up. That's a pretty important indicator based on volume and stuff. And I can tell you that we are getting past a lot of resistance zones right now. So and I feel like we're starting to use them as support, and the charts are saying that we're using them as support. So we back tested here this previous level. This is a perfect back test by Litecoin. Okay, this previous level of support. So this is how you build momentum. And then this one back tested this one, right? So when it jumps up and it's just doing this little pattern here, it retraces, and it basically hits its head on the previous support. So that's how we trade. So now we're back testing here, and we are showing strength, and I would expect further continuation here. Make another little ladder here, up here somewhere. Probably test 136. I had a breakout target here. Let me zoom out a little bit on Litecoin. Yeah, I would say this breakout target's like 140 here. So I would say another retest of 140 is very likely for Litecoin. Bitcoin is also just doing the same thing. It's chugging along on these like little stair steps and using previous resistance as flip support. So we're looking nice and good. I just wanted to get a quick in on this with my kids in the other room. Litecoin Lawton out.